In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit memo in QuickBooks Online. If you need to issue a customer credit for returned items, overbilling, or a pricing adjustment, QuickBooks Online makes the process straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can enter the credit accurately and keep your customer records up to date. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're in the correct company file if you manage more than one account. This helps avoid creating the credit memo in the wrong place. Next, open the Create menu by clicking the plus New button. This is where QuickBooks gives you access to common transaction forms, including customer and sales-related entries. From there, go to the Customer section and select Credit Memo. This opens the Credit Memo form, which is the screen you'll use to record the customer's credit. Now choose the customer who will receive the credit. Selecting the correct customer is important because the credit memo will be tied to that customer's account and can later be applied to an open invoice or kept as an available credit, depending on your workflow. After that, review the credit memo date. QuickBooks may fill in today's date automatically, but you can update it if needed. It's a good idea to make sure the date matches the actual timing of the return, adjustment, or credit event so your records stay accurate. Next, add the product or service being credited. In the product or service field, choose the item that matches what the customer is receiving credit for. Using the correct item helps keep your sales and reporting clean and consistent. Then enter the quantity, rate, and amount for the credit. Be sure to double-check these values before moving on. Accuracy here matters because this is what determines the total credit the customer will receive. Once everything is entered, take a moment to review the credit memo, verify the customer information, confirm the date, and make sure the credit details are correct. This quick review can help prevent mistakes and save time later if you need to apply the credit or look it up again. When you're satisfied, save the credit memo by clicking Save and Close if you're done, or Save and New if you need to create another one right away. Either option will record the credit memo in QuickBooks Online. And that's it. You've successfully created a credit memo in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.